Mm-hmm.
This
Oh, that moves. Yeah, or used to move.
right.
Yeah. So that would move. Yeah, that would move on its own tracks. There's 4 tracks here for that to move. To move the trains from this hangar to those shops over there. Who knows what they did over there?
I actually think they're planning to keep this,
Yes, I'm sure they will.
and I think they're gonna make it able to move again, as maybe
That would be
turn
awesome.
it into something.
There's the control for this little track. There's the cables, the motor with the big chain. Okay, so there's another motor with a hydraulic, it looks like a hydraulic pump right there. The electric motor running the hydraulic pump to run hydraulic. Wow,
Probably
it's like a
steam.
radial cylinder, radial engine right there. Little radial. It's got cylinders, 5 cylinders. It's got 5 cylinders on it.
Man, that chain's huge.
So that would make run, spin, the chain with the sprocket move, and then this platform move on its tracks. 2 tracks here and 2 tracks over here. So then this would, there's more wheels right there. So this would move along here, the hangars, to move the Pullman cars out to the yard and into these other shops to do some other kind of work. Unbelievable. Wow, I see something already. What?
Maybe you can fix it. I have no clue what this is. But it looks pretty cool.
Wow, what the hell is it?
Some type of power source or something.
Wow, no idea. Let's see if we can figure it out. I figured out that one because that was easy. But this other thing,
There's a ladder here.
yeah, I see chains.
Another control box over here as well.
All right, there's the control panel up there. And for this machine, I don't know what it is. It's got an exhaust cone right there. It's sitting on tracks. There's some of the old relays right there. Kind of oven. You see the brick walls, and then the exhausts. It's an oven. It's probably this is where they bake coatings on the parts. I'm assuming, or
Yeah.
I
Or
would
maybe
say-
like set it to dry in there, kind of.
yeah,
deal.
but this use heat. This use heat. It's definitely an oven.
Yeah. Now that you say it, I can definitely see it
Yeah,
because this is, it looks charred.
yeah. It is an oven.
That's cool.
How hot it went, I don't know, but see, this is where those motors
probably
that were
spun
outside. Yeah,
and
they
filtered
were
the air out.
extractors. Yeah, to extract the heat, and workers be able to come in, and there you go. Lindbergh is the name of the manufacturer. Industry, but it's an industrial thing, and
right.
see, this is the counterweights for the door. See,
Oh yeah.
that's a counterweight for the heavy metal door. That's another, and there's the locks for the door for the oven. So yes, it is an oven of some kind.
That's so interesting that they could just
Yeah,
put
yeah,
it on a
I mean-
train cart or whatever.
yeah. Preserve it, or leaving it here and clean it up and preserve it with the rest of the facility, with the rest of the factory, the hangar,
I
or
hope
whatever.
they keep-
We figured this one out. It's an oven, of some sort, for baking some coatings on parts, or you know, it runs on tracks, so it's movable. They can move it from this hangar to the other one, I'm assuming, or well, 60 years ago or so, or more. Wow, this is cool as hell. There's the exhaust, and as you can see, all that is, I don't know, that doesn't look movable, but see the track, I don't know.
Definitely cool to think about.
Bunkers, and it took me three trips to figure out what were they, you know, and they're in ruins, obviously. There it is, a movable oven for the industry of train, the transportation of people. This is beautiful. What a beautiful sight. I hope somebody preserves it and brings it back. You know, well, you cannot put it to work, but at least you can